What's up everybody, welcome back to Cilinix Crypto. Good morning, hope you're all doing great and welcome to your daily Bitcoin update. In this video we'll take a look at Bitcoin. I'll try to predict and I'll try to tell you at least my thoughts on what's happening today, and just in general I'll show you some fundamentals, some important things, and I will do a brief recap as well. So that's what we'll do. Before we get into Bitcoin specifically, if you want to receive daily trading signals, then check out the links down in the description or the pinned comment. There you'll find instructions on how to join. Yesterday was a very profitable and nice day again. And I think I think out of the 7 weeks that we have existed, I think like 5 or 6 were profitable, and in general we've been profitable, so check that out. And apart from that, I'm now also an official partner of BYBIT, so sign up with them. They're the greatest exchange to trade on, I think, and right now you can also get some bonuses if you deposit and trade. Enough promos, let's get into Bitcoin. So what you're seeing right now is we got some more bearish momentum yesterday, which I believe I also expected and I also said in the video, the 28,700 level in my eyes just was too strong, and there was no real catalyst to really, there was no reason why we would break above that. I mean, right now, even though it looks like we're trending up, I would still make the argument, excuse me, I'm zooming in a bit, I think that's better. I would still make the argument that we are not trending that much. The ADX, for example, is around 15, which means that there's almost no movement. And we really need, I think, a catalyst to break out of this range between 28,700 and ultimately 26,800. Which, by the way, we're ranging more between 27,300 and 28,700. But sometimes when the fundamentals were bearish, we drop down. All right, that's what happened. But right now, it seems like we're dropping down to that lower bound around 27,700, 27,500. And it lines up quite well with the fundamentals as well. And with the fundamentals, I then mean some macroeconomic fundamentals. What you can see right now, for example, is that the dollar strength index is dropping. But if you take a look at the euro against the dollar, it's expected that we will find at least some resistance there soon. Which usually means that the dollar strength index will go up a bit again. And in general, that's what I think. I mean, the dollar strength index is definitely trending down, but I do think we can get up to this level around 102.3, which if that goes up, Bitcoin goes down. Then I think that dollar strength index will find resistance, Bitcoin will find support, and we will just stay in this consolidation, trend back up towards 28,500, 28,700, and from there we'll see again whether we can break above that. I mean, at this point of time, I wouldn't say that there's anything happening that could cause something like that. But then again, we do have, today we don't have, well, today we have the initial jobless claims, which Bitcoin tends to react to, but it's often a mixed reaction because a lower than expected initial jobless claims is both bullish and bearish, and vice versa. So a higher initial jobless is also bullish and bearish. But yesterday we do, or tomorrow, excuse me, tomorrow we do have the unemployment rate. If that's, for example, higher than expected, then that's often considered as bullish, even though it's quite mixed as well. But yeah, so something like that, it could make the market move. But even that, if it's very bullish for the circumstances around Bitcoin, even then I would not say that that's enough to break out above 28,700. But that's just my humble opinion. I mean, these moves have also, I think, been mostly institutional buyers, and I cannot really predict that, right? So we could definitely do it, and at this point of time, the bullish breakout still seems more likely than a bearish breakout. But yeah, for now, I think we'll just stay in this range. So that's my take on Bitcoin for today. If you do have any questions, then let me know. But for now, take care. Thank you for watching, and bye.